There's my 2110cc. There's the fuel pump. It's going with the engine. It's got less than 400 miles on this engine. Only selling it because I just sold my bug separate, and everything you're gonna see on the engine goes with it. It runs good. It's due for the valve adjustment, and carburetors could be readjusted with it. It's got a oil cooler inside the doghouse. That's the oil pressure gauge there. It's no good. Everything else on the engine is great. It looks good, it runs good, it sounds good. Let me start it up for you. Just did the first oil change. Oh yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Brand new engine. Just selling it now. I've got too much money up there, so time to go. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Alright, well, as you can see, that's the engine. That's gear from my neighbors. I've been working on this thing for 2.5 years. But it's time to go, time to move on. So what you see is what you get. Give me a call.